How to join a WhatsApp group. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to exactly join a WhatsApp group, whether you're joining a group for friends, family, work, or any other community. We will guide you through the process, so let's just get started. First of all, head over and open up the WhatsApp app on your phone. To join a WhatsApp group, you will need an invitation link. The group admin can send you a link that allows you to join the group. This can be sent via message, email, or even social media. So once you've received the email and the invitation link, just go ahead and simply tap on it. For example, this one right here. So after tapping on the link, you will see the group name here. You will be directly directed to the group name if you have received the message from WhatsApp. Otherwise, if you have not joined, you will be finding a button that says join group. You can review the group details before joining. Once you tap on the group, you're officially a part of the group, and now you can send messages, share media, and interact with others. Now you know how you can easily join a WhatsApp group using an invitation link. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any questions in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.